Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, November 19th, and I'm going to be analyzing gold, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But also, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you would like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34-video trading course all included for only $30 per month. So anyways, on gold, I mean, it definitely looks like we probably have ended the wave 3, which means we're probably going to make a corrective wave 4 before we go up and make a wave 5 to complete this very nice looking 5-wave trend on the monthly time frame. Taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, this first move down is probably an A. At some point, we probably are going to make a wave B. We might already be doing it, and then eventually it probably back down for a wave C. I would expect it to at least go down to the 38% before it does go back up, making that big wave 5. Heading down to the daily time frame. Like I said, we don't really technically have a breaker structure or a higher low or anything like that, but it kind of seems like the wave A may be over. If the wave A is over, then potentially we're going to end up making some sort of a three-way pattern to the upside, maybe up to even the 68 or the 78% for a wave B. Then back down for a wave C. Like I was saying, this is all likely an ABC of wave 4 on that monthly weekly time frame uptrend. So going down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, we definitely did get that breaker structure that I've been talking about. So the downtrend I think is likely proven to be over. I was originally looking at this as possibly being a wave 3, a wave 4, and then going back down for a wave 5. But it looks way too strong to be a wave 4. More than likely, this is actually a wave A of the wave B. Eventually, it probably will make a nice move to the downside for a wave B and then back up for a wave C, just like I was showing on the daily, probably an ABC of B. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, we're definitely in an uptrend right now, and it looks like this is a 1, 2, 3 in my opinion. And until we actually get a break of structure, we don't even know that the wave 3 is over. It could potentially stretch out more before it goes down and makes a wave 4, and then probably back up and makes a wave 5. So we're waiting on a breaker structure to prove the wave 3 is over. Then we'll likely make a wave 4 and a wave 5, and this is all probably just a wave A of the ABC of B that I was explaining on the 4 hour and the daily time frame. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corners. And as always, thank you and happy trading.